Oh, that's lovely. It's a look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to review the Milk and Blush hair extensions. The first impression, I've never tried it before. I got them in the mail yesterday, so I'm so excited. So Milk and Blush are a hair extension brand that have been around for like 15 years before Instagram started kind of showing all these different hair extension brands.
You don't know what you're talking about, do you?
When you open the box, you get a little sample which you can try to make sure the color is for you. And then you get this part here which is sealed. So that's the rest of the extensions are in here. And once you open the seal, you can't return it. So you need to be quite sure about the color and that you're happy with it. There's a cute little message in here. Dreamy hair, take me there. Very cute. These cost me in euro 169 euro. And that also included delivery. So they're pricey, but the quality is supposed to be unreal, so that's why I went for them. So I'm just going to take out the one that you can try first, and that comes in a netting. There's also instructions like so this here. So there's instructions here which say this is one of the wefts from your set of hair extensions. This has been designed so you can see the shade, length, quality before you take out or break the seal on the box. Yeah, so it's just a little sort of a little bit of advice before you open everything and then realize you don't want it. The colour I went for was Honey Hustle because I felt like there was a bit of blonde going through it and a bit of brunette. I recently toned my hair down from like quite a blonde colour to a lightish brown, but I wanted like a bit more tones in my hair, so I was thinking this colour would be quite nice for that. Initially, like opening it, it's quite stripy. See how stripy that is? So I'm a bit worried about that. The feel of them is amazing. So nice, they feel amazing. And then if you can see the seamless, so it's really hard to detect that in your hair, apparently. So it gives you instructions on how to put them in, and they're numbered. I think this one isn't numbered. So I'm just gonna pop this section up here now. Oh, just gonna test this out. Yeah, that looks good. So I broke the seal, there's no going back. I've opened them. And so this would be your extra one for the extra thickness. The seamless deluxe version, which is a little bit thicker than the regular. So it's 180 grams instead of 120 grams. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm never really good at extensions and stuff like that. I'm not a good hair person. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. Now, I'm going to backcomb a little bit because that's going to help the extensions hold. Okay, that's one in. Looking a bit crazy right now, but that's okay. I'm going to be taking these two now These are a little bit smaller and they're the seamless ones, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to back comb this section here. The reason why I got hair extensions again was because all the blonde ones that I had when I was blonde, just they had just gone to shit. They were just horrible. So I just decided I need new ones. And I wanted good quality ones because I want them to last. I have a few things coming up this summer and I know I'll want hair extensions for them. So focusing on the back as well. Don't want all the extensions to the front and none at the back, you know. You also have to be quite careful styling these because it is Remy hair. So it's 100% Remy hair, but you know, over styling is going to damage them. So you need to just be careful of that. To wash them, they say don't wash them with normal shampoo and things like that. They do sell hair care or extension care products on their website, so it might be worth investing in something like that. You will get longer time out of your extensions, you know, so it's worth checking their website. I think their products you see are silicone based, which helps the hair stay conditioned and helps the hair still look kind of new. There's so much info on how to take care of these, so if you do get them, you won't be in the dark about it. You'll know how to take care of them. I feel like it looks like J-Lo's hair from the 90s or the early 2000s. I mean, you know, when she had like that brown hair with all this streaky blonde in it, the highlights. I mean, I turned my hair straightener on to 180 and I'm going to use the hair straightener to sort of put a little bend in it. Don't want it to be curly today, not really anyway. So I'm just going to turn. Okay. Okay, I styled them a little bit. I'm not sure if it's blended as well as I would like, but you know what? It doesn't matter. Quite happy with them. I just need to like style them a bit better, but I love the thickness. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you liked this video, then check out my other videos. They're all down below, or I'll link them at the end. Also subscribe, and you can hit the bell for notifications, so every time I post you'll know. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you next time.